Welcome back. We're continuing the news. From bad roads to no water, residents in constituencies across Westmoreland continue to be plagued by long-standing issues. As Kimberly Petty reports, while some electors intended to vote along party lines, others have become despondent about the political representation.
The parish of Westmoreland, approximately 312 square miles. Now that sugar is no longer king, tourism is the only crown jewel. Although slowly, more persons are turning to agriculture and fisheries. But these are not the issues some voters care about in communities like Aldeer District in the eastern end of the parish. It's water. This resident says it's been decades since she'd had running water in her tap. Like many in her district, she stores water in a drum, which she uses for domestic use.
I need water in the community.
So when last you saw water in the district?
I don't tell when. I have to go over with buckle.
Others opt to pay for the precious commodity.
Who can't drink and beard? And my skin catch me. I have to use bleach in a heat. I need water. I need pipe. No pipeline. Don't get water.
So are you one of them who's going to say no water, no vote?
Yeah, vote. I mean, I get no me a vote.
The current MP is Daniel Lawrence. He defeated the PNP's Luther Buchanan in the 2020 general election. It was the first time in decades that the JLP won the seat. The longest-serving MP was former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson, who first won in 1970, when the constituency was then called South East Westmoreland. The PNP's General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell will be making an attempt to put the constituency back in the orange column. Some of the residents we spoke with say they intend to vote along traditional lines and hope that at some point they will get
pipe water, darling, cool water, cool and spicy. But they say me can't vote for Labour because I have no head for my body. I have to go to PNP.
Over in central Westmoreland, voters point to clogged drains, a nightmare when it rains, and that's often. Not even the soldiers at this checkpoint are spared when the drain overflows.
Supposed to see water get up and I come over when it, yes baby, and when it come over is all straight in our house he come. Straight in our house.
So what do you have to do when it comes in your house?
Jesus, me dear, me have to climb up, take up the things them and put them up on a stool all on the table. It's a disgrace. It's a disgrace, man.
The PNP's Dwayne Vaz is hoping to unseat the current MP George Wright, who also pulled a surprise win in the 2020 general election. But for people like Miss Henry, she remains undecided given the lack of progress.
Why me did say me not voting? No, God know me I tell you the truth because me fed up by the situation. Trust me. For me say don't they in a power and they don't do nothing for people. Them not clean the drain. Nothing not go on for we so. Look on the road is a disgrace and soldier there. They nobody no business with nothing here, man. They don't go when election time come, you see them run up and down in our yard. Come at your yard, come at your yard. And when they get your vote, nobody no see them again.
In western Westmoreland, it's a battle between candidates, the PNP's Ian Hales and the JLP's Garfield James. It's one of the constituencies where bike taxis are popular because of bad roads.
Why terrible. But we have to still go on with it, because no better than go down to it.
He too is doubtful about going to the polls, contending that he's tired of empty promises.
We're not sure, Everything, everyone I same thing. They want to come make promise, they don't want to come make promise, so it doesn't make sense.
We've been suffering that road condition, low poor condition from the PNP negligence. Moreland Wilson came in power and his negligence was the same.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.